everyone, my name is Jenny and I am going to make for you today a smoothie that I make before weights for after weights, like right now that I'm doing for weights for after weights. Anyway, let's get started. So first of all, always have my Greek yogurt, and I measured out 6 ounces of Greek yogurt, which is in here. So I'll just put that in the blender. By the way, this is super easy. Everything's detailed, but typically it takes like 5 seconds. And then next I have my half cup of blueberries. In you go. And then I will get out my egg whites because there needs to be protein. And I have my little cup, which I love because it's so cute. And I just use the carton of egg whites because, I mean, it's super handy, and obviously it is pure egg whites. Quarter cup, there she goes, to make it nice and protein packed and fluffy. And then I will also add a quarter cup of almond milk because these things have to squish up somehow. So in you go, quarter cup, woohoo, a little more, that's okay. And so there's that. And of course, okay, don't get grossed out this banana, but the riper the banana, the better. So this is a defrosted frozen banana. It's about to look real gross, and I'm real sorry if you're squeamish, but it's essential because you gotta have a sweetness somehow. Speaking of sweetness, honey, my life blood, I guess you could say, just a tablespoon of honey. 1 tablespoon of honey. Oh no. Yeah. I never add only 1 tablespoon. That's just ridiculous. So there's that. And last, my little kick. I'll grate a little bit of ginger in here. Maybe, oh, there we go. Just because, you know, it just adds something. And sometimes you need to add something. And so here we are. That should be good, yeah. All right. Let's run this puppy. This is taking so much longer than usual. That's okay. I think we're good. Okay. And now, I just pour it in my to-go mug. Not a mason jar like cool millet or Gen Z's, but you know, this is practical because that's a lid that screws on tightly. Boom, boom, oh. And I have my delicious protein smoothie that I will cherish every sip of after weights. And I will totally clean up right now and not leave this until after I come home. Thanks, Burnbrae, for making this possible.